Hello, family. How everybody doing? This is Miss Pat, aka McH2. Today is August 28, 2018. People, we are sheaves among and lambs among wolves. In this world today, we are living in. People that are followers of God and Yahshua, we are to withstand the evil times that we're living in. Followers of the Lord, we got to be blessed. We got to stay prayed up all day, every day, 24 hours, 7 days a week, so we can withstand the evil spirits that is lurking in the world today. Remember, we are not part of this world, but we are in the world. Be blessed, stay prayed up, be safe, have a blessed holiday, Labor Day, relax at your home or whatever, be safe. Always stay prayed up because God and Yahshua rule this world. Believe and have faith and have a blessed day. Be safe. Amen. Thank you.